This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5, and in this video I will show how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So the first method that you can rely on at all times, the easiest one from my perspective, is to simultaneously press volume down and power buttons. Just like so, the screenshot gets taken, you see this toolbar, so you can, edit it, take a full page screenshot or just share it right away. There's also another way to somewhat generally take a screenshot from whatever you are in the system. It is a bit more complicated, or should I say it's a bit more annoying to use the method that I'm about to show you, but still. So in order to do that, you will need to expand or open your control panel, go into its editing, and find the available buttons. Look through available buttons, find and drag take screenshot tile. And now, once the changes are saved and now you can just open any app or do whatever you like to do on your tablet. Then, open the control panel, find the take a screenshot button and press it so the screenshot gets taken. By default, you will find those screenshots by simply launching your gallery. They will be displayed right over here. Or if we were to open the albums, they are getting saved to their separate screenshots albums, and you can access them here at all times. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.